Good day, ma'am. I am Rima Karabakan, and the title of the poem is My First Inspiration or My Primera Inspiración by Jose Rizal, 1874. This poem was written in honor of his birthday and the show internal love and appreciation from his mother. Why fall so rich a spray of fragrance from the power of the balmy flowers upon this festive day? Why from woods and vales do we hear sweet measuring, ringing, that the same to be the singing of the choir of nightingales? Why in the grass below the birds start at the wind's noises, unlashing their honeyed voices as they hop from bough to bough? Why should the spring that glow its crystalline murmur be tuning to the zephyr mellow crooning as among the flowers flow? I share my thoughts. The first inspiration by Jose Rizal. The poem seemed to reflect the idea that nature is a source of inspiration and happiness, and especially occasion like Mother Days of bloom, and the capture the beauty of nature and its connection to human emotion. Central theme in Rizal poetry, consistently patriotism, the yearning from freedom for appreciation, and a call for social justice, all event in his word fest. Importance of the poem. For me, the first inspiration served as a reminder of the beauty that surrounding us and the importance in moments of joy and celebration. For many Filipinos, this poem is embodies Rizal vision for united and free Philippines. It encourages us to appreciate the beauty of our culture and the strength we and continue advocacy for justice and liberty. Good day, ma'am. I'm Rima Karabakan, That But To Be, Jack 9. Untitled poem is The Ask Me For Verse was written by Jose Rizal, owner, his country, and heartbreak owner over his lost love, Leonor Rivera. They did me strength that lied, so long now mute and broken, but not alone can I walk in, nor well my mouth inspired. She is stammer, cloudy, and bubbles, when the choo-choo by my mind, she lies when she laughs, and tries as she lies in her limitation. For in my sad isolation, my soul nor frolics nor feels. There was a time, it's true, but not that time has vanished when indulgent love or friendship called me a poet too. Now of that time there lingers hardly a memory, as from a celebration some mysterious refrain that haunts the earth will remain of the ancestral actuation. Barefoot blind, I seem uprooted from the Orient, where perfume is the atmosphere and where life is a dream. A land that is never forgotten, and this heads up to sing. The birds hold their melody, the contracts were with their force, and one does well shores the memory of the sea. The poem They Ask Before Verse reflect the deep emotion struggle of the speaker and the imaginary of mute and broken lyre symbolize lost artistic expression, while the mention of the cloudy stammery mouth suggests frustration and despair in the creative process. The speaker reminds about a time when love and friendship their spirit contrasting it with the current state of sadness and detachment. The central of themes, and they ask me for verse of love for the Philippines, patriotism, the desire for freedom and a call for social justice. This poem is important because it embodies artistic struggle and reminds Filipino of their history and fight for justice.